Open your eyes.
Oh my days! The biggest surprise when we opened our eyes, I think, was the colour. Everything was all the teals and the blues. The colours are so ostentatious, bright. I love them, and they're a combination I would never put together myself. It just leaps off the wall at you. I don't think I would ever have gone for the technique of the panels. I think they're brilliant, the way that the colours have created a 3D look, so it disappears into itself, into the wall. The whole of the blue colour spectrum I absolutely love, but my favourite colour is the Turquoise Jewel. It really stands out. It's brighter than the others. It's really zhuzhy. I love the pizzazz that it gives the room. And within the rectangles Lauren's created, it's really, really beautiful. I love that colour. The feel of the room has changed dramatically. The colour I had before was more of a bland colour, very pale, very beige, boring. Now, it's just got a wow factor when you walk in. Even if you're having a bad day and you feel a bit, you come home, you walk in, it's bright, it's just a pleasure to be in. When you sit in here now, you sit in here because you want to come in and you want to enjoy it. I tend to be more alive in here. It makes you want to be doing something more creative. It's inspired me to pick my sketchbook up again, do some drawing. It's just so uplifting. I'm absolutely over the moon with my new room. There's nothing I would change. However, I wouldn't have chosen pink. I would never have chosen a pink. Lauren has completely transformed my outlook on pink. Pink was baby pink and girly pink. It showed me the spectrum of pink more. It showed me the coral pinks, the orangey pinks. I believe that the pinks in here, and they're really smart. I especially like the coral Flair because it's so bold and stand out, and the contrast of that coral against the lighter pinks is really nice. The room has definitely given me more confidence to add colour right across the home. My hallway is in desperate need of some painting, and it's now given me the confidence to put pink into the hallway. I absolutely loved the experience of changing rooms. It was absolutely amazing. It 100% has changed my look at the home in terms of decorating. You can use so many different colours in one room. It's created something in me to not be playing with colours. Nothing has to be on the same colour spectrum. You can put them together and it works brilliantly. And I've taken that across with me into my florist shop. And now when I'm putting flowers together, they're not all in the same palette. The advice I would give someone who's going to decorate, I would say, be bold, be brave, and be colourful.